The National Emergency Broadcast System has been activated under Executive Emergency Protocol Sierra 1. At 4:30 Philippine Standard Time, September 18, 2028, multiple unidentified military aircraft and naval formations were detected entering the Philippine Air Defense Identification Zone and the West Philippine Sea. At 4:47 Pacific Standard Time, hostile amphibious movements were confirmed west of Pag-asa Island, Bajo de Masinloc, and the waters approaching northern Luzon. Civilian authorities report communications outages affecting portions of Batanes, Cagayan, Ilocos Norte, Zambales, Palawan, and Metro Manila. All residents within coastal municipalities are ordered to evacuate immediately toward designated inland shelters. Do not approach military installations. Do not travel unless instructed by local authorities. Keep all roads clear for emergency and defense operations. Expect interruptions to electrical power, telecommunications, internet services, and public transportation. Remain indoors unless evacuation has been ordered. Keep battery-powered radios tuned to official government frequencies. Ignore unverified reports and unauthorized broadcasts. The armed forces of the Philippines are conducting defensive operations in coordination with allied forces. Additional emergency instructions will follow as information becomes available. Repeat. This is not a test.